Leh, the capital of Ladakh, was opened up for tourism in 1974, and today it features on the top of everyone's bucket list, with tourists flocking in huge numbers every year. In 2019 alone, more than 2.7 lakh tourists visited Ladakh, which is more than the entire population of Ladakh. People from all over the world visit the place for the adrenaline rush of the cold desert, the rugged topography, and the rustic beauty that Ladakh has to offer. Burgeoning hotels, homestays, and hostels offering adventure sports like trekking, camping, snowboarding, and mountain biking are only adding to the region's popularity. But what happens when 2.7 lakh tourists visit Ladakh and each tourist buys a plastic bottle? How many of them take their bottles or packets of chips, biscuits, and other eatables back with them? What happens to the thousands of bottles and plastic packets that are left behind every day? According to recent data from First Post, Leh generates 35 to 40 tons of garbage during the summer and 5 to 6 tons during the winter, majorly because of tourism. And due to an absence of waste processing plants in Ladakh, the waste gets accumulated in landfills dotted across the plateau. The unsegregated waste now flows in rivers across campsites. It chokes drains and marketplaces and has even managed to reach the remotest villages in Ladakh. Dotted with plastic waste, Ladakh is bearing the brunt of irresponsible tourism. For Sankalp Foundation, Ladakh holds a special place in our hearts, and it is one of our most treasured sites for plantations. We are on a mission to turn the cold desert of India into a green paradise with multiple farmer beneficiaries. Numerous fruit orchards planted by Sankalp Foundation are already flourishing in the Union Territory. Every year, Sankalp Foundation takes a trip to Ladakh for new plantations in the villages of Leh and beyond. This year, we took a trip to the villages of Photoksar and Wandla under our Joy of Giving campaign. Under the campaign, our team distributed toys, books, and solar lanterns to kids of the village. However, we were disturbed to see single-use plastic dotting the entire plateau and on the roads leading up to Ladakh. Moved by the sight, our team then decided to do their part in cleaning the Himalayas. We collected the plastic waste and filled our empty pickup trucks that were used for the campaigns with garbage bags. These garbage bags were brought down to recycling facilities near our headquarters, where they will meet a sustainable end. Check out what our team has to say about their mission to make Himalayas plastic free.
लोग भंडारी संकल्प फाउंडेशन से हम देख सकते हैं कि लेह लद्दाख में हमने किस तरीके से प्लास्टिक के जो भी वेस्टेज होता है, जो पर्यटकों के द्वारा गिराया जाता है यहाँ पे, इस तरह से उठा के हम लोग इसको रिसाइकल प्लांट में ले जाएंगे और इस तरीके से यहाँ पे जो प्लास्टिक से होने वाला प्रदूषण है उसको हम लोग काफ़ी हद तक रोकेंगे। और हम इस ट्रिप में पौधा जो हम पौधे ले गए हैं उसके साथ साथ हमने वापसी में लेह लद्दाख से इस तरीके के प्लास्टिकों को इकट्ठा कर और हमने अपनी गाड़ी में इस तरीके से आप देख सकते हो कि हम इस गाड़ी में हमने ऑलमोस्ट जो भी आपको दिख रहा है इसमें सारा प्लास्टिक का सामान रखा हुआ है। और ये वॉलंटियर हमारे संकल्प के विकास यादव इसमें अपना पूरा सहयोग दिया है। और आप देख सकते हैं कि हम लोग इस वक्त लेह लद्दाख में हैं और यह पहाड़ियाँ देख सकते हैं बर्फ़ से घिरी हुई हैं। इस तरीके से जो हमने अपना एक छोटा सा प्रयास इन प्लास्टिक जो कि यहाँ पे काफ़ी हद तक प्रदूषण कर रहा है, इससे कुछ अपना सहयोग दिया है। धन्यवाद।
विकास यादव संकल्प फाउंडेशन से हम लेह लद्दाख से प्लास्टिक की बोतलें पर्यटकों द्वारा कूड़ा कचरा जो फैलाया जा रहा था, प्लास्टिक की बोतलें पॉलीथीन वगैरह को हम अपनी गाड़ी में लेकर जा रहे हैं, जिससे प्रदूषण कम फैलता है। आप देख सकते हैं गाड़ी में किस तरह से कूड़ा कचरा पीछे भरा हुआ है।
The Himalayas are hurting. If we don't act today, Ladakh will soon be overflowing with garbage. The local communities in Ladakh have withstood and conquered the unforgiving climate and the scarcity of resources for centuries. but today they're losing a war against plastic pollution. Let's not forget, your dream destination is someone's home. You too can help Ladakh in winning the war against plastic pollution by following these simple steps. Always carry steel or durable plastic bottles in your backpacks. Carry reusable plastic bags or cloth bags to store eatables. Dine in at local restaurants whenever possible instead of opting for parcels. When buying single-use plastic, always crush the items and bring them back to your home city or state. Opt for natural foods and local fruits that don't require extra packaging. Spend a day with locals picking and collecting waste around the location. Plant trees with Sankalp Taru Foundation under Project Green Leh Ladakh and offset your carbon footprint. Sankalp Taru Foundation is on a mission to make the Ladakh Valley lush green with fruit-bearing trees. You can do your part and contribute in making the mountains cleaner and greener by planting with us at www.sankalptaru.org. Plant a tree today with Sankalp Taru Foundation and get exact geo-coordinates of your tree in Ladakh. So for your next bike trip to Ladakh, take a detour and visit your own tree.